Hello guys, I am Mansuri Neavano Sarfuddin. I am studying in Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. Today my micro project title is Organization Management for Management subject. Organization Management. Definition of organization. An organization is an organized group for people who work together in an organized way for common object. Steps in organization. There are four steps. First, identify in objective. Second, grouping the activity. Third, assign duty. Fourth, developing authority and responsibility relationship. Organizational structure and network of relationship between various positions in an organization. Types of organization structure. First, line, military, scalar. Second, line and staff organization. Third, staff functional organization. Fourth, project organization. Line organization. There are a chart of line organization. Line organization. It is most oldest and simplest method type of organization. Authority flows from top to bottom, also referred as scalar or military organization. Merits of organization. Simplest, better, first simplest, second unit of command, third better discipline, fourth fixed responsibility, fifth flexibility, sixth prompt decision. Demerits of organization. Over reliance, lack of specialization, inadequate communication, lack of coordination, authority of relationship. Second, line and staff organization. There are chart of line and staff organization. Line and staff organization. First, modification of line organization. Second, staff supervisor and staff specialized who are attend to the line authority. Third, other are two line of authority which flow at one time in a consent. Fourth, line authority. Fifth, staff authority. Merits of line and staff organization. First, rely to line of executive. Second, expect advance. Third, benefit of specialization. Fourth, better coordination. Fifth, benefit of research and development. 6, training. 7, balanced decision. The merits of line and staff organization. First, lack of understanding. Second, lack of sound advice. Third, line and staff confront. Fourth, costly. Fifth, assumption of authority. Sixth, staff state and show. Third, functional organization. There are a chart of functional organization. Functional organization was suggested by F.W. Taylor. Functional organization has been divided to put the specialist in the top position together out the enterprise. Third, Each functional area is put under the charge of functional specialty, and he has got the authority to give all decision regarding the function. Merits of functional organization: first, specialization; second, effective control; third, efficiency; fourth, economy; fifth, expansion. Demerits of functional organization: first, confusion; second, lack of coordination; third, difficult and fixing responsibility; fourth, conflict; fifth, costly. Thank you for watching.